Okay, this desmos activity is over multiplying positives and negatives. But before you do this, I want to make sure you understand a few things. Multiplication could be thought of as groups of objects. So, for example, one group of 3 could be thought of as 1 times 3, or 1 parentheses 3, because you don't even have to use the multiplication symbol. You could just use parentheses and mush them together like that. Okay, so one group of 3, 1 times 3, could be represented by one group of 3 rectangles. Okay, 2 groups of 3, or 2 times 3. Okay, you could think of that as 2 parentheses 3, or 2 times 3. You could think of that as 2 groups of 3 rectangles. Okay, so the number out front, in front of the parentheses, is the number of groups. And the number inside the parentheses is how many is in each group. Okay, so when you are doing the next set of problems, you're going to be figuring out things like 4 times 6. Okay, think of that as 4 groups of 6. So first thing you want to do is get your group of 6. And there's a couple ways to do it. I like to just go to this group size spot here. I like to just get past the number and backspace and type in the number 6. Instead, you could use that little arrow. See how it keeps going, changing from one group size to another, and then you could stop it when it's on 6. I went too far. Okay, I'm going to have better luck if I just type it in, because I'm not stopping it at the right time. Okay, so type in 6 for the group size, or try to get it the other way. And then the next thing you do is drag the black dot. Just take your mouse pad, hover over the dot, and move it over until you have the right number of groups. Okay, there's one group of 6. Here's 2 groups of 6. Here's 3 groups of 6. Here's 4 groups of 6. Okay, so the number inside the parentheses is what's in each group, and the number outside in front of the parentheses is how many groups. Okay, see what you can do with these? I just thought you may want that little introduction to this.